Hey guys, welcome to this channel and welcome to this video course. This video course is going to be on HTML5 for total beginners. This is the first video of this video course. I'm going to create it from scratch, from fundamentals to advanced. We are going to learn with practical examples, and at the end of each video I'm going to tell you interview tricks and interview questions and answers, right? So let's see what we are going to cover in this video. We are going to cover fundamentals, advanced, and new features of HTML5. In fundamentals, we are going to cover what is HTML elements, attributes, headings, paragraphs, links, styles, images, tables, list, forms, etc. And in advanced part, we are going to cover what doc type is, what head tag contains, what are the meta tags, what is the layout, scripts, how to add the script, how to add external JavaScripts, how to embed or how to write JavaScript on HTML inside the HTML code entities, and we are also going to look at URL and validation also. There are some few new features added in HTML5. We are going to look at that also. So new feature includes new input types such as email, number, date, date time, local, and there are new audio and video tags also. There are graphics tags such as canvas and SVG. We are also going to look at web storage and cookies, new web storage such as local storage, global storage. Then we will look at application cache, web workers, SSE, geolocation, and drag and drop. Alright, so let's get started. So what HTML is? HTML is a main markup language to describe the structure of a web page. Suppose you have a project in your hand, and whenever you have a project in your hand, basically HTML comes first to design the structure of the web page. Alright, so HTML was developed by Tim Berners-Lee in 1990. It's a basic building block of a World Wide Web. If you want to design a static front page of your project, HTML is must. You have to know the HTML. Okay. So the full form of HTML is a hypertext markup language. What is hypertext? So hypertext is a text displayed on a computer or other electronic device with reference to other text that the user can immediately access, usually by a mouse click or a key press. So what does mean a markup language? As we know, HTML is a markup language, but what exactly is a markup language? Markup language uses a set of markup tags like we use in HTML, like header tag, h1 tag, p tag, or similar tags, to characterize text elements within a document, which gives instruction to the web browser on how the document should appear. Alright, this is called as a markup language. So let's create a first web page in HTML5. All you need is a text editor and a browser. You can also write in Notepad, but I prefer Visual Studio Code. You can download Visual Studio from their official website. You can go to this link. You can download it from here. Alright, you can download it for Windows or any platform that you are using. This is a cool editor actually. It have IntelliSense. You can debug. It have built-in Git and extension. You can add as many extension you want. So it is most popular. Once you download, install this editor. I have already downloaded and installed it. So once you install it, let's open it. So this is going to be the interface of your VS Code editor. Just create a file, new file, and save it. I'm going to save it on desktop with the name index.html. Okay, I saved it. Let's just write a simple HTML code. Alright, so HTML code starts with doc type declaration. I'm going to explain everything in detail once I write this code. Then we have HTML tag. All the code, HTML code goes inside this HTML tag. Then we have head tag. Okay, all the header section, all the header tags go inside here. Then we have title of our document. We are going to give it a name as first page. Alright, so after head tag we have body tag. Most of your code will be in the body tag only. Whatever you want to display on the web page, you have to write it in body. Okay, I am going to take simple tag, h1 tag. I am going to write some text, classic hello world. Alright, let's just save it and see it in browser. Okay, I've saved it. Here it is. Yeah, so here it is, the text. Let me explain the text for you, code for you. Okay. Yeah, so this is a doc type declaration. Let me tell you, doc type HTML starts with a doc type. Doc type means what version of HTML this code is written in. Alright, browser understand that this is a doc type HTML, so it is doc type. It is HTML5. The document is in HTML5 format. In HTML4, the format was longer. If we just go and search doc type HTML4, and we will get something. Okay, so on this website, so on HTML5, see, this was the doc type declaration. It is bigger, it is longer. This was the doc type declaration, and HTML5 it is only doc type HTML. Alright, this is the difference. So this is the doc type declaration, and then we have HTML tag inside HTML. Inside this HTML tag, we write all our HTML code. Then we have head tag. Inside head, we have a title tag. This title goes here. See, this is the title, first page. Okay, this is the title. Okay, inside body, we have h1 tag. h1 means heading 1. We have h1, h2, h3, and up to h6. I'm going to cover the tags in later videos. This is just an introductory video. So h1 tag, here it is, h1 tag. Alright, this is basic template of a HTML document. So you always don't need to write everything from scratch. There's one trick in Visual Studio Code. You just need to type exclamation mark and then hit tab button. Alright, once you do that, everything will be there automatically for you. Okay, you don't need to worry about it. So right now you don't need to worry about this meta tags. I will explain it in later. So just concentrate on title and body. Whatever you write here will be displayed on web page. Alright, okay, so one more thing, the tags, uh, let's move forward in slides. Okay, so as you know, doc type declaration, head tag, body tag, these are the three parts of HTML document. On moving forward, this is the HTML element. So what HTML element is exactly? Let me tell you with example. So this whole line is called as a HTML element. Alright, this tag name and inside this content is called as a HTML element. And what is tag? Tag is this one, this part inside angle bracket is called as a tag. So most people misunderstand this, that this whole thing is a tag. No, this one is only tag, and this whole line is treated as an element, HTML element, as shown in the slide. This is a starting tag. This is a class given to the paragraph tag. Okay, this is the content and this is the end of the tag. This whole thing is called as an element. Okay, don't worry or don't confuse about this part. I'm going to explain it later. This is an attribute. Class is one of the attribute. Class ID. There are lots of attributes, and this is the value. Value is enclosed in quotation mark. Alright, so this is the interview questions for you guys now. As I told you, I'm going to give you interview questions at the end of the video. So these are the interview questions. you can prepare, or you will find the answers within this video also if you look at this video once again. So what is HTML and new features in HTML5, tags, elements, what is difference between it, attribute and value, what is it, and doc type, why it is necessary, as I told you earlier, so that browser can understand what version of HTML it is. Okay, so yeah, thank you guys, thank you for watching this video. Hope you understand it, hope you like it. If you like it, give me a like and also subscribe to my channel. I will bring the rest of the videos in coming days. Thank you for watching, guys.